First, you need to log into your Million accounting software, and then you need to key in the password. The first thing that you need to set up is the company profile. So you can go to the system and then general setup. And then here you need to make sure the company name, address, business registration number, phone number, and email are correct. And then you need to follow the format. After keying all, you need to click the More Company Setting. At here, you need to add the address again, and then here we'll follow the format lah. Okay? And then here you can select the state, and then you can click Generate. Here got all the list of state that got e-invoice code based on LHDN portal. If you want to add, you can click all and then click Save. Then you can choose the state from the choice given. And then for country, you need to choose Malaysia. Okay. Next, you need to set the address entry is formatted. Okay. And then next, for the e-invoice, you need to choose method of access is client. Key in the client ID and client secret, TIN number, and then MSIC code. If you don't know the MSIC code, you can click this link. It will bring to this portal that got the MSIC code listing. And then you need to fill in the business activity and then the start date for your e-invoice. After fill in all, you need to click OK.